Hey, Aaron here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app right here called WeWard, alright? And it's basically a walking app, and it says it can reward you for doing a little bit of walking. So let's find out whether it's legitimate, whether this is a good way for you to make money, or is it a massive waste of time. Let's check it out. Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below all the way at the bottom, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online, and some of them are really good, some of them are so-so, but a lot of them though are a massive waste of time. So let's check out WeWard to find out whether this is a good way to make money online or just a complete waste of your time, okay? Now WeWard is basically a pedometer app. It's a walking app, and you can download it for free, okay? You can download it from mainly the US, UK, France, Belgium, Spain, Italy, and Germany. So if you live outside of those countries, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to use this app, but don't worry. Stick around till the end. I'll show you a few more other walking apps you can use globally, and I'm going to show you another cool way to make some great money online, okay? Now WeWard, basically you download it and you have to link it to one of your walking pedometer apps on your phone. So either Google Fit, Apple Health, or there's WeWard Sense as well, because it needs to be able to track what's going on when you walk, right? And the way it works is the more walking you do, the more rewards that they're going to give you. It's very, very simple, okay? Now they give you 3 ways that you can make money. You can actually change it into cash, where they'll send a direct deposit to your bank account. They will give you gift cards, or you can donate it as charity. So it's completely up to you, all right? This is just a way for you to motivate yourself to walk. Now the way it works is every single day after you make steps, you have to click on the app where it says convert my steps. You see this button right here? If you don't click on that, you're not going to be able to get rewarded for the steps you took that day. Very important, okay? This is a manual process. You have to do it every 24 hours. Otherwise, it will reset and you will lose the ability to get rewarded for those days of steps, okay? So you have to be active on the app. That's really, really important. Now, here's how the metrics work out, because this is very important, right? If you just want to be here to exercise and just kind of be motivated, and sure, if you make some money, that's great. It's not a big deal. But if you're here because you really want to make money from walking steps, then you have to understand these metrics, because they're different on every single walking app. Now for WeWard, the way it works is 1 ward, okay, is equal to 1,500 steps. All right, 1 ward is equal to 1,500 steps. The maximum amount of wards that you can make a day is 25 wards. Now that is 37,500 steps. Now it's very unlikely that you're going to hit the maximum, because an average person walks about 5,000 steps per day. Now, if you want to max it out and you're an athlete, or maybe you go to the gym that day, or you go for a run, you might be able to double that, maybe 10,000 or 15,000 steps, but that's extremely rare, okay? Most of the time, people will do about 5,000 steps a day. Now, in order to make money from this app, there is a minimum threshold. It's different for every country, but on average, all right, it is basically 3,000 wards for you to withdraw. Now 3,000 wards to withdraw is equivalent to roughly about 15 pounds, okay? Now in US dollars, that's roughly about 10 to 12 US dollars, okay? But that's 3,000 wards minimum for you to withdraw. Now I've done the math on this, all right? If you want to hit 3,000 wards, you would have to walk 5,000 steps. You're averaging 5,000 steps a day. It would take you 900 days for you to reach 3,000 wards. Now, I want you to think about that for a second. 900 days is 2.4 years. Okay, now that's the average person. Okay, now if you're an athlete, or you're super active, you're going to the gym every day, you're running on the treadmill, maybe you might be able to hit 10,000 steps. And so let's divide that by 2. That's still, what is that? 450 days. It's still about 1 year before you hit 3,000 wards. That's about 15 pounds, right? Which is, sorry, that's not $12. That's more. That's about $20. Okay, so let's stick to 15 pounds. But still, it's gonna take you between 1 to 2 years on average for you to make 15 pounds of a reward, and then you can change that into vouchers, or you can get a bank transfer, or you can donate that to charity. So this is a very, very, very slow way to make money. Now, on top of the pedometer, you can also do things like cashback. You can take surveys, you can watch ads, and you can play games. So this is kind of like a GPT style app that focuses very much on walking, okay? So I would say that, look, if you're here to make money, then the walking app is not great. It doesn't really reward you. There are other walking apps that will pay you a lot more and a lot more quickly. Okay, on average, other walking apps, you're looking at about 5 to 10 cents a day. Okay, so it's about, you know, maybe $3, $1 to $3 a month. But this app it's really, really ridiculously slow. Okay, it's literally like it's gonna take you a really, really long time. And at least with the other apps, you can withdraw it a little bit more quickly. This one, it's a minimum of 3,000 wards before you can withdraw. So you'll literally be doing this for about a year. So it's kind of like you know, you download it, you forget about it, you just do it every single day, but you will only make 15 pounds or maybe $20 after 1 or 2 years. So I just think that, you know, it's great that they're trying to help people, but at the same time, it's very difficult for you to stick with the process if you're only going to be able to withdraw once a year or once every 2 years, because hitting 3,000 wards is very, very difficult. It's not an easy thing to do. Okay, so you know, some of the other ways you can earn, obviously, you know, take more surveys, play the games, you make a little bit more money. So hopefully you will hit your threshold a little bit quicker. But if this is purely the pedometer and just walking, it's just a little bit ridiculous. Okay, so you can check it out if you want, WeWardApp.com. But if I were you, I probably wouldn't waste my time with this, especially if you want to make money from walking. You know, if you want to make money from walking, there's some other apps with that I would combine. Cashwalk is a really good one. Another one that I just reviewed is WinWalk. This one pays a little bit more quickly. It will still take you, you know, between 6 to 9 months for you to withdraw with WinWalk, but it's a little bit quicker than you know, 1 or 2 years. All right, I just think that, you know, if you're an elite athlete, you might be able to do this one in, like, you know, just under a year. But if you're a regular person, 2 years minimum. You know, 5,000 steps on average, 3,000 wards. That's gonna take you a long time. All right, if you want to check it out though, WeWardApp.com. Now, if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make some bigger money online, right? Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, okay? But out of all the ones that I've tried, all of the good ones, there's one strategy that I really used to quit my full-time job in 2019. I used it to 5 times my old corporate salary, and I used to do very well in corporate. I used to manage 15 people, quit my full-time job, 100%. I work 100% from home. I think this is a great strategy for beginners, anybody that's never made a cent online. If you really want to make big money, if you are consistent and you take action, it's a great strategy. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass you can check out. Just click the link all the way at the bottom and I'll give you access to that at no charge, and you can check it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of WeWard, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.